Good morning, everyone. It's January 18, 2022, and it is 5:30 a.m. New York Eastern Time, right? So 5:30 in the morning, New York time. And I'm guessing I was like 3 o'clock in the morning, California. All right. So we're going to talk about in very early pre-market hours right now in this video, a stock that, people love it and hate it, right? It's got two sides to it. One side is safe, the other is right now, as of today, horrible. But we're going to look at the horrible side because it has momentum, and that's strictly the way we're going to look at it, right? So let's get started.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
So we're going to talk about Imperial Petroleum in this video. Now, I want to get ahead of some people here. People might look at this and say, "Oh, you're one of those pumpers." I'm not a pumper. I can, watch the whole video. I will tell you a lot of negatives about this stock that people should know about. I'm not pumping anything. I'm going to say pros. I'm going to say cons. All right. So Imperial Petroleum at 29 cents. On my Discord channel, did I announce Imperial Petroleum? Yeah, I told people that if they want to, if they're looking for a day trade and they want to ride something that, in my opinion, has momentum going on its side, then this is one at 30 cents, 29-cent entry, 30-cent entry. In my opinion, today, of course, this is just my opinion, would be a day trade opportunity. Maybe even a swing trade, but nothing more than that as far as ticker symbol IMPP. Let me just tell you right away the negative part about this whole thing. This thing's been trading under $1 for a pretty long time. And even though they got a 180-day extension, still the stock is reaching new lows, right? And at some point, it might surprise people with a reverse stock split, and you do not want to be caught in that. So that is one huge negative part about this stock that people should consider, right? So, I tell people, if you're going to get into this right now due to momentum, day trade it, get out. Don't hold this for long. It's that reverse stock split is not something you want to get caught on. But what momentum are we talking about? First of all, the revenues is rising. Let me tell you something about let me say something about this company that you would be shocked about this. All right. The business fundamentals for this company are actually good. The business fundamentals for Imperial Petroleum tanker fleet have actually never been better, with charter rates and second-hand vessel values sitting at multi-year highs. They are. So that's that. Their Series A preferred shares are even better and safer, and they even offer a double-digit yield dividend. Now, the retail investors, they're not going to get into IMPP. They're going to get into IMPP. That's what they're going to get into, and that's the one that we're looking at. That's trading at 29 cents. People are going to try to pump this upwards. There is a momentum. What's the other momentum going forward that's going to push this stock possibly higher, in my opinion? Well, the energy sector is starting to heat up. It is. The oil sector is starting to heat up. What's causing the oil sector to maybe heat up? What? February 5th, we have the European Union oil price cap on the Russian oil, right? Russia isn't going to accept this. There's probably going to be some type of volatility, maybe oil being shipped from longer routes. That's more money for Imperial Petroleum, right? So over the past year, the company's common shares have been subject to relentless dilution. We're talking about ticker symbol IMPP. It has had relentless dilution. That's another thing you should know. And that was because the company itself just, they don't care about the retail investors. Let's be honest. They're going to use ticker symbol IMPP to grab as much money as possible to grow the company. And they have, to be fair. They use that money to constantly grow their fleet over the past 2 years. And, look at this revenue. It went from, just in the first quarter of 2022, went from $5.1 million to third quarter of 2022, $42.6 million. So, and their fleet is rising. They have about, I think, 10, 12 ships right now. Let me look it up real quick. They have about 10 ships that I can see right now. All right. So, and just think about just about over a year ago, a year and a half ago, they had much less ships. So yeah, I mean, it's not like they take advantage of retails, but hey, there's been a lot of share dilution with this ticker, and that is to get money for the company to grow at the expense of the shareholder, obviously. Can you put a forecast on this? No, because it's like I said, there's always the possibility of a reverse stock split, so kind of hard to put a forecast on this, right? So overall, I think that this stock has a good chance to move up higher. I think it is a good stock for a day trade, maybe even for a swing trade if you're willing to hold it for about the next 5 trading sessions, let's say, or so on. Strictly from fundamental perspective, Imperial Petroleum is among the strongest U.S. exchange listed shipping companies due to its fortress balance sheet and positioning in the tanker market bonanza with oil transportation. So, while the company's strategy of pursuing growth at the expense of common shareholders has rightfully, destroyed investors, market participants have started chasing this former meme stock that went to $9 last year, if I remember right. Imperial Petroleum's common shares are on, let's say, on a high alert right now. It seems like it's going to go higher. There is momentum for it, and this is just my opinion. So, I told you in this video what I think are some pros for this stock and what are some cons for this stock. Does that mean that you should use my video or my opinion to trade? No, strictly no. Prohibited. Don't do it. Use your own due diligence. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about all of that I said. And I wish you a good trading day today. Don't forget, if you want, you can join my Discord in the link. The link will be in the comment section below. Take care, everyone.